Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Network for You. We welcome you all to in our series the Python for Network Engineer. In this one we are going to learn about Python slice function. So in this one we are going to see how we can retrieve the data from the particular sequence. Like example, if you have long sequence, if we want to fetch some data, how we can cut the data and take from that one. We are going to look that one. Like if you want to retrieve particular data, how we can take with the help of this function, we are going to do that one. Okay, so now let's see. So Python slice function is used for retrieving a particular sequence of data. We are going to take that one example here, but before going to that one, we need to look for the syntax also. So if you see, with that function we can takes particular sequence, we can cut particular sequence. Example, if I have long sequence, I can take like this one from particular. I can retrieve from the long sequence. I mean, we can retrieve a part of a string, triples and list. From that one we can take any part of the data. We can specify the start, end and step of the slice. The step the step used to skip some item in the sequence. We are going to look that one also. First of all, you need to remember this is a syntax. We use this syntax like this type of bracket, and here if I did not write any range, means complete string is going to become complete string, or complete list is going to become. If I mention any value, that will start from that value and stop here. Like example, I will show you there. Here this one is complete. Example, if I write the start value, that will start from that one. I did not write here end value, so it will complete end the sequence. Then if I did not write the starting one, but I define the stop one, then the item from the beginning until the stop value, whatever value we give the stop. Start stop means item from start until the stop, whatever value we give, that one from that value item will start, and from that point whatever value we give to stop, it will stop there. And if we want to skip some item, we can give the range starting, stopping, and then whatever item you want to skip, that one also. Item from starting until stop, skip the item by the step. So we are going to see that one also. I wrote already here. We are going to see some syntax, and also we can do in the IPython. So here this is a syntax we are going to use. You need to remember this syntax we are going to use in our code. Python codes we are going to use to automate our network. We are using this is a basic. We need to know the basic, because if we know the basic, then only we will understand the Python code. Okay, so what I will do now, I will show you some example. If you see, we can use positive or negative integer. Like example, if I want to mention here, I can write from starting from 1 to 3. If I want to mention the negative also, I can mention -5 to -4, like that. Okay, we are going to see that one. Let me give you one example here. If you see here, I wrote here router. We taken one example as a router here, and I defined this one. This index value is 0 for R, and here for O is 1, U for 2, T for 3, this one is 4. It is in the sequence. This is a 5 starting from the 0. 0 is the index value of this one, 1 is the index value of this one. So I wrote here R for 0, O for next one is the 1, next letter will be 2, next letter will be 3, next letter will be 4, next letter will be 5. Or we can do negative also. Whatever the last value, we can write -5, then it will fetch this same 0 index. We can say -5 also in this case. So this is a -5, this is -4, this is -3. If I fetch -3, U will come. If I fetch only 2, U will come. Okay, the letter U will come from this particular sequence. So same thing, we can use positive or we can use negative, depending upon our convenience. In our code we can use which one we want. Now you need to remember, we can use positive integer as well as we can use negative integer. Positive means starting from 0 here, and negative means whatever the last number, that will be -2 starting one. If I put index of 0, it will fetch the R value. If I put index of -5, it will fetch the R value. Okay, no confusion, right? So here what I am saying, we use the integer as a above index. We are using index value for this one integer, like that. And example, one integer 1 return the value 0, O. This is O. If you see integer 1 return the value O, this O value it will print if I take the integer 1. Same like that, if I take minus 3 as integer, it will return the value 2. What I wrote here, it will return the value U. Okay. What I want to say, if I take minus 3, here is the minus 3, it will print the value 2 when I take the integer. Or if I take 2, also it will return the value U. Okay. So this one is clear. Let's take some example. Like I have the router, this is a sequence, and I put no entry. Example, this is a router. I am writing router. Okay, let me close this one. And this is a syntax. I am not defining any value. Here I am not writing any value. That means complete sequence. Fetch the complete sequence without giving any value means fetch the complete sequence. The output will be entire sequence. This print the entire sequence. Okay. This is example not having any value, but it is a valid Python. Okay. This is example not having any value, but this is a valid. If we keep empty, it will take the complete sequence. You need to remember like this. And let take start at the index value 2. If I start from the 2 and I did not define any value at the ending, then it will start from U, because this is a 2. This is a 2. And I did not give the ending value, so it will take UTER. Okay. Example, I have this one ROUTER. Now I am taking, for simplicity, I am taking this example router. But if you have any other example, if you want to fetch some particular this area, then you can write like this. Okay. Start from 2. This is a 0, this is 1, and this is a 2. So 2 to end. So whatever is end, it will take from 2 to that end. Okay. So this one is also finished. The output will be start printing from the index 2 to the complete string. Or we can do negative indexing also, like starting from the minus 3 till this one. We can use negative indexing also. Okay. So now let's see stop value. Now we define only start value. So now I will see the stop value. So how we can do? We can also slash from the beginning until the stop. So what I will do? Beginning I will keep empty and ending I will put 3. So beginning will start from the R, but ending will be take till value 3. So we have this 3. So it will come this one value. We can use like this negative also. If you want to take both, I can take both also, starting and ending value. If you want to take negative, we can take negative also. And if you want to skip something, we can use the step. By using a step, we can skip. Let's start, stop, step. In this, what we can do, we can skip this one. I will show you this one. Let me do in the IPython, then show you. First of all, this is my IPython. I already open this one. Let me define router. Okay. If I define here router, let me take this one. And I put router. If you see here, this one, this is a example. I did not given the input and output range here, nothing. So 0, 0, start from 0, ending from 0, nothing I give. So it take all the sequence. Okay. This is the first case what we are discussing. Now if I want to take particular value, I can take that one also. Example, let me go here. If I want to take from starting 0 but ending 3, I can do like this also. Starting 0, so it will start from 0 and end to 3. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So it will not take the 3. Before 3, whatever value, it will take that value. So it is taken the 0, 1, 2. So ROU. Okay. Example, if I have like this router and I give the range from 0 to 4. So it will take from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. It will not take 4. Before 4, whatever value we have, it will take that one. So 0 this one, 1 this one, 2 this one, 3 this one. So we will have the output ROUTE. ROUT. You will not have E. Okay. Let's do here and check this one. What I will do, let me do here. I told value will be 0 to 4. So let me go here and change this value to 4. 3 change to 4. Okay, and I will put the enter. If I put enter, ROUT, whatever I mentioned, that one. Okay, no confusion, right? If you have confusion, write in the comment. We will try to help you. And here if I want to put any range, I can put the range. Here starting I did not put any range. Now example, if I want to write any range, example, start from 1 and end from 3. So I will press. So it will start from 1. What is 1? Let me write. I am taking the router only, the example. If router start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the sequence. I mention start from 1. So it will take 0. Then start from 1 means O. Then 2 is U. And we say end at 3. So this one it will not come. So before 3. Whatever is we have before 3. So before 3 we have only this 2. So this 2 will come. Okay. I hope you understand, right? Same thing we can do negative also. And here if you see here, this is a list. I have list. I defined the list. Example, I taken R0, router 0, router 1, router 2, router 3, router 4. Like this you can take anything. I mention here 3. Let me take 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Okay. So total I have 4 routers. So I defined here this one in the list. This is example I am doing in the list. So what I am saying, R0 is nothing but index value 0, R1 is the index value 1, R2 is the index value 2, R3 is the index value of 3, R4 is the index value 4. And if you see negative way, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So we will define the list. Router is equal to this list. And this is the entire sequence. If you want to take in the range, you can write like this. Router, no value. You will not give any limit, that is no range from 0 to 0. Then it will print the entire the sequence here. And if you want to retrieve from the particular boundary or particular range, then we can do also. Here example, this is a second example. If you want to take particular range, what we can say, we can use positive or negative. If I write start from R3 to 0. So 0 means till end. R3 means this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So R3 start from here till end. So we have R3, R4. Okay, this is the index value. So this is output. If in negative also we can do negative I mention minus 3. So let me write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. And you taken as a minus 3, so it will stop from here. It will take after minus 3. So it will take R2, R3, R4. See here, this is the output. Okay, no confusion, right? We are going to do in IPython this one also, and then we are going to close this topic. And here if you see, we can also start from the beginning. If we want to start from the beginning, we can do also. In the this syntax, I will not mention starting value. I will mention only the ending value. So this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am saying 3. So it will stop here before this one. So this it will print this one, and starting from 0. So it will print R0, R1, R2. And if you want to put the limit starting and ending, we can do that one also. If you see, we can start and stop. If you want to start and stop, we can give the range 1 and 3. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So start from 1, so this is 1, end from 3, so this will stop here. So 1, 2. We have only this and this. Did you get or any confusion what I am saying? Let me again tell you. See here, this is the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am saying start from 1 and end at 3. So wherever we are ending, that item will not consider. So 3. So we have 3. So 3 will not consider. This will. Before 3, whatever we have, that will consider. Starting from 1. So 1 and this one. Here 3. So we will have only 2. R1 and R2. Here now we are going to see we have start, stop, step. We can use this one as if we want to skip something, we can do like this also. Let me show you. If you see, we have the router R0, R1, R2, R3. Now what I wrote 1 and 3. So I want to start from the 1 and 3. So let me write here number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I am saying start from 1 and end at 3. So this is a 3. So I will not take this one. I will take only here. Starting from 1 means I will take this one and this one. Only this one I have, only 2. But here I am saying skip 2. So it will take only one value. It will take this one only. It will skip the next second position. This will skip. Okay. Let me show you one more here, or let me do and show you here. Okay. So you will have the idea. This is basic concept, small concept. Let me do and show you. Example, let me define the list, or let me take, if I can copy and paste this one, it will be good. Let me paste in the notepad and then take in the IPython. Okay. So where is IPython? Here is the IPython. Let me paste here. It will come here. Oh, not working. Anyhow, let me type here, no issue. What I will do, I will write router. Okay. I am defining list. Here I have R0. Let me write R0. I will define here. Then we have the comma. Then I have the R1. I will take only 2, not many thing. So it will be simple and very easy. 2 or 3. R1. Close this one. Then we have the comma. And then one more let me take. I will take here 1 R2. This one, comma. Then we have R4. Let me take here 1 comma, and let me erase this. Here 1 comma, and here will be R4. Okay. So this one I taken the 4 in the list. This is my list. Okay. This is my list. If I want to print, I can write router. It will print this one, same thing. Now we are going to follow the syntax. I will write the router. Okay, I will write the router, and then I will give the bracket, this one. I will not define any value. I will write here 3. Then I will close the bracket. I will press the enter. So it will taken from the 0. This is 0 and taking 3. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So for 1 he will not consider. He will take from 0 to 2. So R0, R1, R2. I am getting this one. Okay. If I want to include index here, let me write index also. So you will have the idea. Here I will write from 1, 3. Then I will write index at last. Index will be write any 2 and press here. If you see index means it will leave every 2 value. I am taking the till 3. So 3 means here I have 0, here 1, this one 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 he will not take. This 3 value will come, but starting from here to here. And I put index. Index means it will skip the next number. So it will skip this value. Only we have this one. Okay. If you have any confusion, no issue. This is a basic. When we wrote the code, we are going to learn more detail. Okay. So this is a, what we can say, this one is the one topic we finished. Now we have some logical operation in Python. We are going to cover that one, and very soon we are going to look how we can install the Visual Code Studio as well as the GNS3. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with your friend who is interested in CCNA as well as Python. Thank you very much. Bye.